Hey guys, let's dive right into it. Our first stock today is BlackBerry, and guess what? This one is looking like a buy. Here is why. It recently bounced off from its 50-week moving average like a charm, and last week it's also cleared the key 3.60 resistance level. So that is a great sign. So now if you are planning to jump into the stock, the buying range I'm watching is between 3.65 to 3.85, but do not forget your stop loss, which is around 3.36, just in case. For the option traders out there, check out this one. The January 4 or 450 call option, that looks pretty attractive to me. They are priced below 20 cents. So this stock is definitely worth adding to your watch list. Alright, next up is Rubrik, and this stock is also another solid buy. And here is the deal. This stock showed promise around $40 when it's cleared the IPO base. Then it gave us an opportunity at 45, then 52 when it bounced off from the 10-week moving average. Now it looks like we got a fresh entry point. The stock is forming a 3-week tight pattern, which is a great entry point for a new buy or to add anything to this stock. So the buy range I'm watching is between 65 to 68.25 with a stop loss around $60. And for my option crowd, check this out, the January 80 call, which is trading under $1. So the chart is pretty much tempting setup. So this one is definitely worth adding to your watch list for a long-term growth. Alright, let's talk about our third stock, which is GameStop. This one is a buy. Just like I mentioned a few weeks ago, it is moving sideways recently, but that is not a bad sign. It's a good thing. It's doing a consolidation and setting up for another potential move. That was, I believe. So the buy range is anywhere between 30 to 31.50 with a stop loss around 21.60 to manage any risk. So for my option traders, here's a scoop. Look at the January 35 or 45 call. They are trading around $2. These are definitely worth a closer look if you are into options. So let me know if the GameStop is on your watch list or not. Okay guys, thank you for watching this video. Let's see what's going to happen to these stocks in coming days. I will see you guys in another video relatively very shortly. Until then, as always, happy trading.